Good morning. It's a beautiful day, as you can tell. I'm gonna take that ride.
I'm checking out the audio. I have some other things coming, but I'm just doing this right now just to see what kind of audio I'm up against. So, like I said, when I was 9 years old, my father came home with a Honda 50 Mini Trail for myself, and then my brother wound up with a go-kart. Thought that was interesting. Well, we used to have races. We had a good time. I rode my mini bike. He rode his go-kart. And later on in life, I wound up still riding motorcycles, and he built fast cars. Interesting enough how that worked out. Get some air in it. So interestingly enough, I want to put out this content. I know there's folks out there that may or may not like what I do, but I do. And I'm not flashy. I'm not, making $1 million. Just making motorcycle content on my rides. Just everyday rides, just nothing extravagant. Not looking for sponsors, not looking for anything like that. Just riding my road. And nobody else coming along if you like. There might be a time I get to where I can't ride anymore. And I might want to sit down in front of YouTube instead of watching Netflix. And actually I have. I went down through the motor vlogs, watched different people, and to start out with, it was all the same. Nervous, don't know what to say, raw. But over time, they got used to it. Just want to put out content that's motorcycle related, just to ride. Like today, it's a cloudy day, still a little windy. I'm checking this mic out because on a windy day, if you can imagine that. But this is going to tell me a lot. I wish I had my other mics. I've looked at it both ways to where I can have an external audio source, because I've read a lot of reviews where you go with a GoPro, they don't really, you don't know whether you're recording or not. And then I sat down and I think about it. I said, well, if you got you've got a digital recorder in your pocket, you don't know if that thing's recording or not either. So it's 6 one, half a dozen of the other, I guess. I'm going to try. I know with the GoPro, the mic adapter, it's like an all-in-one. You plug it up and it's all in your helmet. If you do an external, I got to run wire through my helmet. I got to have a helmet sticking out. A cord sticking out the back of my helmet, and then somewhere to carry it. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't use a center. I don't need to be talking on the phone while I'm riding. I listen to my music, Bluetooth on my cell phone, and now I'm going to be talking to a mic while I'm riding down the road. And then I'm going to publish it on YouTube. Yes, sir. YouTube is the way to go. It's a good source of a lot of information, honestly. Years and years ago, I used to put my rental houses on there for virtual tours. And believe it or not, I'm about to date myself. I used Craigslist back when Craigslist was cool. And I'd have folks coming from Illinois, Michigan, use a PayPal account. I'd send the money for the house. I'd hold it. If they couldn't get down there when they wanted, when they said they would, they'd just send me a month's rent. That's back when times were a lot simpler. Didn't have all this junk going on. Folks you could actually trust. And I say that because there's one couple I remembered. They actually had several vehicles, and the wife couldn't drive, and they were going to run back and forth trying to get these vehicles down here. They thought it was a little more expensive, cheaper just to have them shipped. So, true enough, I got a phone call one day, and they were telling me wanted my address. I had no problem giving my address, give it to them. And I asked them, I said, well, what you need my address for? Oh, we're going to have our vehicle shipped to your house. What? Yes, sir. About a week and a half later, there was a transport pulled up, offloaded the vehicles. They sat there in the yard till they finally got down here. Good people. Good people. That's what I miss about the world the most. I know they're still out there, but they're far and few and in between. And that's for sure. But anyway, motorcycle content. Man, there ain't no other way to ride, honestly. It's not for everybody, but if you've ever ridden a motorcycle, you know what I mean. There's not another feeling like it. And people say, well, why do you do that? These people out there are trying to kill you. And I says, exactly. I said, I ride more defensively than I do with anything else. And then that defense comes into offense. But my thing is, and it's nothing personal, it's just my mindset and the way I think. Everybody's out on the road. When I'm on my bike, everybody's trying to kill me. Every car, every truck, every person. And I'm always looking for it to happen. I don't take anything for granted either. If I see a car sitting at a crossroads, I would definitely say, yeah, he's waiting on me to get up there so he can pull out. And that's my mindset. That's the way I think. And so far, I haven't had any bad accidents, collisions. So I have to thank God for that. I don't think none of my children ride. I have 5 daughters. Imagine that. I had one. She rode for a little while. Things happened. And just didn't work out. But I had a few road horses. Good gosh, they'd get on a horse in a minute. The horse would buck them off. The horse would run them through the field for hours, hollering and screaming. But they'd get right back out there on it. But these iron horses, it's a little different. I always say safety first. So I ask them, go to the class, take the safety training. And by the way, if you do take the safety training and you buy your motorcycle from that individual place, what they did with my daughter, she bought the bike from them and they actually gave her the course for free. It's a weekend course. Friday night classwork, Saturday and Sunday ain't nothing but riding. Ain't nothing but. Then times Sunday afternoon you take the test. And you know what? I know people that have failed that test as well. So it's not a given. They don't take it lightly, honestly. But you go through there, and if you pass it, they give you a little certificate or whatnot, and you just take that down to your local driver license department. In South Carolina, it's DMV. And they actually give you your license. You don't have to do the road test. You don't have to do anything. But you do need to have your permit first. You got to have that learner's permit first. I forgot that. So yeah, you go to your local DMV. You get your motorcycle permit. And then you can go and take the classes. But yeah, they actually teach you some good stuff. I feel like. chilly out here. Those overcast clouds this night. I'm not wearing a jacket, just my vest. It's still nice. Need to get a suntan. I wasn't 57 years old, had that Dunlop disease around my belt line. I'd have me one of them tank tops, and I'd be all about it. But I ain't doing all them setups to get that way. Not me. Done with all that. I just want to ride. You know, when I was young, strapping, all that muscle, doing all them push-ups and gym and everything. I see them old folks on them Harleys, and I'm thinking, look at that guy, big belly. I said, oh Lord, guess what? I looked at myself in the mirror, and I said, I'm one of them old Harley guys now. Woo! Man, oh man, where does the time go? I was at Cox's, Harley Davidson in Rock Hill yesterday, you know, and we were talking about age. We were doing the social distancing thing, trying to get his backrest on there, but I said, we finally give up on it. Said, you know what, it's going to take two of us getting in there. Let's just do it. We're not worried about all that social distancing. But we were also talking, he said, you know, it's funny how things change. So you wind up, he said, when you're a young teenager, you can't get enough of the back seat, and it's no problem. He said, now, you get in the back seat, you got to scream for help to get out. That just comes with age. Then you got knee problems, hip joints. Man, I try. That's why I can't drive a little sports car anymore. I can't get up. I have to roll out on the ground and get up off my knees. Whoa, what are y'all doing? But anyway, I'm going up here to Lowe's. I'm going to get me some screws for these, this GoPro. I'm going to get rid of them big old bolts right there for show. I'll get me some nice sleek ones. Hopefully I want to get some metal ones. If not, I'm going to wind up getting some of them with a Phillips head on it. Get rid of all them so I can deal with my stuff a little better. Alright, so yeah, boy, Love's is full. Look at all these people. Social distancing at its finest. You see all this mess? Well, I don't know what old fella's doing right there. I guess he's either talking on the phone or looking at something. Trying to figure it all out, I guess. He's gonna get his ass beat if he ain't careful. Man, oh man. Well, I can't sneak between, so I'm going to have to turn her around. I can't do that backing out. I got to pull out. I got to be ready to go. Yes, sir. Get this thing turned around here. There we go. All right. I guess I'm going to call that a wrap for now.